welcome. Today I'm going to tell you about my visit to the bakery. While I tell the story, I'll explain some easy English words and phrases. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and enjoy learning English naturally. If you love learning English step by step, make sure to subscribe for more stories like this. It was a calm morning. I woke up, stretched, and felt excited to visit the bakery. I put on my favorite light t-shirt and jeans. I grabbed my wallet and a small reusable bag. I walked outside and the air was fresh. I could hear birds singing and kids playing. Do you know what a reusable bag is? It's a bag you use many times to carry groceries. I walked down the street to the bakery. The bakery was bright and cozy. You could smell fresh bread from outside. There were flowers in the windows, and the bell above the door jangled as I entered. Do you know what a bakery is? It's a shop where you can buy bread, cakes, and pastries. Inside, there were shelves full of bread, rolls, and cakes. I saw croissants, muffins, and sweet buns. I felt so happy and hungry. The baker smiled at me and said, "Good morning. Can I help you?" I replied, "Yes, please. I want to buy some bread and a croissant." Do you know what a croissant is? It's a light, buttery pastry shaped like a crescent. I picked a loaf of whole wheat bread and a chocolate croissant. Then I saw some fresh juice bottles and decided to buy orange juice. The colors were bright and everything smelled so good. The baker asked, "Do you want a bag?" I said, "Yes, please," and put my items into a small paper bag. It was time to pay. I gave the baker some money and he smiled. "Thank you," I said. "Have a great day," he replied. Do you know what counter means? It's the table or surface in a shop where you pay for things. At home, I put the bread in a basket and my croissant on a plate. I made myself a cup of coffee and sat by the window. I took a bite of the croissant. Delicious. Everything smelled fresh and I felt happy and peaceful. Do you know what delicious means? It means very tasty or yummy. Visiting the bakery was fun and relaxing. I learned new words: bakery, croissant, loaf, muffin, and counter. I also practiced asking for things politely. Can I have? And do you want a bag? It's important to enjoy small moments like this. Even simple activities like buying bread can make your day special. Now it's your turn. What did I buy at the bakery? What is a croissant? How do you ask for something politely in English? Where do you pay in the shop? Great job if you answered all. Practice again and try speaking aloud just like I did. See you next time.